Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? Welcome to my class. I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. So, children, today I am going to start with unit number 12, area. Now, what is an area? What is an area? So, this is a rectangular. The shape is rectangle. The surface, this is the surface. This surface which is enclosed by this closed figure. This figure is rectangle. The surface which is enclosed by a closed figure, that is called area. So the measure of that surface which is enclosed by a closed figure, that is called an area. What is an area? The measure of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called an area. Okay. Now let us come to the worksheet number 1. In worksheet number 1, the two figures are given to you. So out of the two figures, you have to tick the figure which has the larger area. For example, this is the figure of a kite, and this is also the figure of a kite. Now you have to tick the figure which has larger area. So here you see that this picture is covering the much more surface. The surface inside this figure is this, and the surface inside this, the measure of the surface is small here. So which occupies the larger area? This kite occupies the larger area. So now let us take another example. So example is, for example, this is the figure of a triangle. But which triangle occupies a larger area? This one. Right? So you have to do worksheet number 1. Now here let us see that which is the best unit to measure the area, that is square. Square is the best unit to measure an area. Okay. Now here all of you see that, for example, this is a figure. So how we will measure this area of this figure? So we will divide this figure in a square which is having 1 centimeter as a length and breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We divide this rectangle in a 5 equal column. Each column is having 2 squares. So here, what is the measure of this here? How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this measures is 15 square. So here square is the best unit to measure an area. Now let us come to worksheet number 2. So in worksheet number 2, you have to come to question number 1. Find the area of these figures in terms of unit area. So for example, this is a figure. What is the area of this figure? So let us count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the area is 4 squares. Again example. For example, this is the figure. What is the area of this figure? Let's count the square. 1, 2, 3. This is half. This is half. It means half plus 1. Half is half and half 1. 2, 3, 4. So it is also 4 square. So in this way you have to do worksheet number 2. Now come to worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3. So in worksheet number 3, topic is units of area. Units of area. So let us use, for example, we have to find the area of this figure. Okay. So let us use squares each having the side of 1 centimeter. We will use this square each having the side of 1 centimeter, which is now we need how many squares in order to measure this area. So here we will divide this figure in 3 columns. Okay, and then each column is having 2 squares. So what is the area here? How many squares we need? We need 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So area is equal to 6 square centimeter. So the unit that are used for measuring the areas are square centimeter, square meter, square millimeter. Okay. For here you see that the area of a, next topic is area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Yes. So here you see, let us take, look at this rectangle. This is a rectangle. Look at this. So here its length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now let us divide these rectangles into square. There are let us divide this rectangle into square. So we divide this rectangle in 4 columns, and each column is having 2 squares. Okay, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares each column is having? 2. So here the total number of column is, total number of columns is equals 4. And in one column, how many square is there? The number of square is equals 2, right? So in order to find the area of rectangle, that is, we can multiply the number of columns with the number of squares in each column. Okay. So here you see that how many number of squares are there? Number of columns. So number of columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, and number of squares in each column, it is 2. So it is 2 squares. How many squares are there in each column? 2. So total is 8 squares. That is equals 8 square centimeter. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is area of the rectangle is, this is number of columns, this is length, and multiplied with number of squares, this is breadth. Okay. Similarly, we can find the area of the square. Similarly, we can find the area of the square. Look at this figure where each side is 3 centimeter. Now let us divide into squares. Number of columns are 3 and each column is having 3 squares. The squares, each square is side is 1 centimeter. So here the number of column is equal to 3 and number of squares in each columns, squares in each column, that is equals to also 3. So the area of the square is equal to number of columns into number of squares in each columns. So here number of column is 3 and number of square is 3 squares. So it is 9 square centimeter. So from this we see that the area of the square is side into side. This is number of the column, that is side. This is number of the square, side. Each sides are equal, side into side. Now come to worksheet number 3. That is word problem. Now come to worksheet number 3, question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is A. The best unit of measuring area is what? Square. B. Measure of the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called what? Area. Okay. Now area of rectangle. See, area of a rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth. D. Area of square. Area of a square is equals side into side. Now come to E. The area of a rectangle area of a square whose having side equal to 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter square. Okay, so you have, this is the question number 1. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle. A. Length is equals 8 centimeter. Breadth is equals 4 centimeter. So this is the rectangle. Here length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here length is 8 centimeter into breadth is 4 centimeter. So it is 8 fours are 32 centimeter square. Okay. So here you see that the unit of area is always square. Okay. You can write it as also square centimeter. Okay. Similarly you have to do question number 2. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, find the area of the square. Find the area of a square whose sides are A, 6 centimeter. So here this is a square whose side. In square each sides are equal. Each sides are equal. So area of a square is equal to what? Side into side. So here side is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter because each sides are equal. So 6 is the 36 square centimeter. Square is the unit of area. So similarly you have to do question number 3. Now come to question number 4. 4 is a word problem. The length of a carpet, the length of a carpet is 5 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Find the area of the carpet. So here all of you see that this is the carpet. Okay. This is the carpet whose length is 5 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So here length is equals to 5 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter. So area is equal to length into breadth. So it is 5 meter into 2 meter which is equal to 10 square meter. So this is the answer. So come to question number 5. In question number 5, the length of one side of the handkerchief is 22 centimeter. Square handkerchief. Square handkerchief. Find the area. So here handkerchief is square whose side is 22 centimeter. Here each sides are equal. So side of the handkerchief is 22 centimeter. So area is equal to side into side. That is equals 22 centimeter into 22 centimeter. Okay. 22 twos are 44. 4 carry over. 22 twos are 44. 44 plus 4, 48. It is 484 square centimeter. Right. Now come to next question. Question number 6. So here in question number 6, the length of a playground is 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter. Find the area of the playground So here this is the playground, rectangular shaped playground, and length is 10 meter, breadth is 6 meter. So here length is 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So here area is equal to length into breadth. So it is 10 meter into 6 meter, that is 60 square meter. So that's it. So children, here if you have any problem, you may discuss in our live class. So here today is your C work and H work. Your C work is worksheet number 1 and 2, and H work is worksheet number 3, unit number 12. Okay, this is your C work and H work. So hope children you have enjoyed my class and the concept is clear. So if you have any problem, you may contact me in my WhatsApp number. So till then, goodbye. Bye bye children. Take care.